Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna conquer a killer HIIT workout that shreds fat and torches calories in just 15 minutes. What is HIIT? HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training. It alternates short bursts of intense exercise with recovery periods. This keeps your heart rate up and burns serious calories in a short amount of time. Why HIIT? Perfect for busy schedules. Get a great workout in a short time. Boosts metabolism. HIIT helps you burn more calories even at rest. Improves fitness, builds endurance, and burns fat for a toned physique. The workout. This routine is 6 rounds of work and rest. Each work interval is 30 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest. No breaks between rounds. Jumping jacks. Get that heart rate up. High knees. Drive those knees high for maximum burn. Mountain climbers. Engage your core and get those legs pumping. Squat jumps. Add power to your lower body with squat jumps. Burpees. The king of full body exercises. Rest. Catch your breath, but don't stop moving. Modifications. Feel free to modify exercises to fit your fitness level. Beginners can jog in place during work intervals or shorten the work time. Cool down and stretch. After your last round, take 60 seconds to cool down with some light cardio, then stretch for 5 to 10 minutes. That's it, you just crushed a 15-minute HIIT workout. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for 2 to 3 HIIT workouts per week and watch your fitness goals transform. Leave a comment below and let me know how you feel after this workout. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and effective workouts. And